Yes, I like this opportunity to welcome each and everyone. Please, if you are new here, tap the subscribe button and the notification bell such that every time we upload our videos, you are the first person to watch. Many people have been thinking that Kimdi Construction and Farm Consultants, we only deal in goat farming. But to your surprise, we also do cattle feedlots, dairy farms. We also set up poultry farms. So please, if you need all the designs, really they are going to be available on our website. So please, if you need quality work belongs to Kimdi Construction and Farm Consultants Limited. So now here I was trying to explain to you different partitions or different sections of this small farm. It is going to be with 5 goats, 5 cows, with the feeding area, with the walking area, with the milking parlor, with the calf's pen, spring crush, and a drainage pit. When he is in need of biogas, he can also do biogas from the dung of the cow. So now we did it with metals as the poles and some mason work of the brickwork. We also molded our metals to come up with really a very smart and good looking work. Yes, so please, for those who are in need of these services, don't hesitate to call us. Don't hesitate to get such work from Kimdi. It is only from us. We are the ones with the original designs that we can give you the best out of what you would have really got. So please, if we give you this, we can also give you the animals and you start from there. I'm very sure that really you are going to like this work. So please, I've decided to share it with you to see each and everything that is going on from the start up to the end of our work. As you can see, the work here was going on. We did it for only 10 days and it was done. With my experts there, they were really putting in much effort to see that we come up with quality work for our clients. So remember, besides doing this, Kimdi Construction and Farm Consultants mainly do this, and he can even give you the animals. So we make sure that when you come to us, you get the full package that really you would have wanted or you would have got from different people. So that's why we make sure that we do the quality work such that if someone comes to your farm, he can really ask you who built the structure for you. So please, for those people who have dairy and they want to make feedlots, they want to make feedlots for their cows, for those who want to do poultry farms, we can also do poultry farms. I'll be sharing with you another project of mine which we are doing on poultry farm, and really you will be liking it. I'm busy these days because of people really have liked the way we are representing the work and what we want them to benefit from us. So that's why we make sure that we serve you. If we give you the lectures and you really like it, like our lectures, then we definitely come to your farm and give you the best out of what you wouldn't even imagine. So that is the structure. That is the structure with my team there, working tirelessly to see that we make a very strong structure for our dairy cows. Remember, dairy cows are not so violent like the bulls. Someone may think that these poles here are weak. I'm assuring you that the thickness of this pole is very strong and is very big, more than even 3 millimeters. So you can imagine it is very strong for our cows. They cannot really break it in case of anything. That is it. And you people, if you are told you need a design plan for this, it is readily available. We can give it to you. It will be also available on our website very soon, so you can go there and you check it out and you buy it. I told you that our designs are very cheap because we want you people to also join this farm. But some people really need free things. You cannot enter into farming and you think that you are going to be depending on free things from the start of the farm. You need the guide for free. You need a business proposal for free. You need the design for free. That is really very difficult, and you are really cheating yourself, because there is no serious person who is making business and you think is going to give you quality work for free. So quality will always remain quality, and really it can do for you a very nice duty if at all you want to do serious work. So that's why I always argue people, if at all you want to do serious work, you come to us, you see, and we shall really guide you on how you have to start. You have seen that many of our farmers have really become successful because of our guidance and the way we make our things. That is the structure, please. For five cows, though we made 6 cubicles. You never know, he might need to bring another cow. So that is the bonus that we give. We make 6 cubicles, but with an agreement of 5, but we have to add in another cubicle for you. We made the spring crush. This is the feeding area, the walking area, feeding troughs, you can see them. We also put the water trough for our cows. The sleeping area is there. Our animals can sleep there, and they really like the environment. So that is really our work, and we are very grateful. I'll be waiting for you Please share to those people who really need these services but they don't know where to find the people who can do for them such wonderful work. You can also contact us and we tell you what is needed to have such a farm or such a structure on your farm. It is very small. You can see there for people who are in urban setting, then this structure can only sit on 50 by 30 feet. So you can hear that really we are the ones who are making ourselves to be poor. But with this setting, management is very, very well, and you end up getting a lot of comfort when you give me. Remember, when you give an animal comfort, it will also give you a lot of milk, and that is a profits. Thank you for watching. This is Karema Hakim representing Int'l Construction and Farm Consultants Limited.